The complete guide to nanotechnology. What is nanotechnology and how does it work? Nanotechnology is the study of manipulating matter on an atomic and molecular scale. It is the understanding of how to control things at a really small level. Nanotechnology has been used in many applications, such as solar cells, computer chips, and batteries. Nanotechnology is a branch of science that deals with the study of manipulating matter on an atomic and molecular scale. It is the understanding of how to control things at a really small level. What are the benefits of nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is the branch of engineering and science that deals with the design, manipulation, and manufacturing of tiny things. It's also a field of study that deals with the understanding and control of matter on an atomic and molecular scale. Nanotechnology has many benefits for humans. It can be used in medicine to diagnose illness, give treatments, and even cure diseases. It can also be used in other fields like space exploration, energy production, water treatment, food production, etc. What are the risks of nanotechnology? The future is nano. Nanotechnologies, such as molecular self-assembly, will be used to create new materials and devices. This will revolutionize the way we live our lives. In the near future, we will see a nanotechnology revolution that will have a significant impact on how we live and work. Nanotechnologies are already being applied in many sectors of our economy, from healthcare to manufacturing and energy production. They are also being used in new areas like education and entertainment. The potential for nanotechnology is virtually unlimited. It can be used to create new materials with extraordinary properties, or to design novel devices with amazing capabilities. Nanotechnology is a field of science that deals with the control and manipulation of matter on an atomic and molecular scale. It has been around for more than 50 years, but only in the last 10 to 15 years has it started to show promise for commercial applications. The risks of nanotechnology are not yet well understood, but there are some concerns that need to be addressed. One concern is that nanomaterials may have unintended consequences in the environment and affect ecosystems. A second concern is that nanomaterials could enter the human body through inhalation or ingestion and cause unknown health effects. Conclusion: the future is nano. The future is nano. Nanotechnologies are the next big thing in the world of science and engineering. They have been evolving for decades, but now they are finally becoming commercially viable and affordable for the general public. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more knowledge in future.